Underbed storage containers are a convenient solution for maximizing storage space in your bedroom. They are designed to fit neatly underneath your bed, utilizing the often underutilized space. Here are some details about the product you mentioned. Type: underbed storage containers. Features: this specific product is designed with wheels, making it easier to slide the containers in and out from under the bed. It also has handles for easy handling and portability. The containers are foldable, allowing for compact storage when not in use. They come in a pack of 4 and are black in color. Storage capacity: these containers are suitable for storing various items such as clothes, shoes, blankets, bedding, and other bedroom essentials. The storage bins provide ample space to keep your belongings organized and protected from dust. Material: the material used for these storage containers can vary, but common options include durable fabric or plastic. It is important to check the product description or specifications for the exact material used in this particular product. Benefits of underbed storage containers. 1. Space saving: they allow you to utilize the unused space under your bed, making it an efficient storage solution, especially for small bedrooms or apartments with limited storage options. 2. Organization: underbed storage containers help keep your belongings organized and easily accessible. You can separate different items into different containers, making it convenient to find what you need. 3. Protection: these containers help protect your items from dust, dirt, and potential damage. It is particularly useful for storing seasonal items like winter clothes or extra bedding. 4. Easy access: the wheels and handles on the containers make it easy to slide them in and out from under the bed, providing quick and convenient access to your stored items. When purchasing underbed storage containers, it's important to consider the dimensions of your bed frame and the height of the containers to ensure they will fit properly. Additionally, it's worth checking customer reviews and ratings to gauge the product's durability and quality. Please note that the specific product you mentioned is not real, but rather an example used for illustration purposes. It's always recommended to refer to the actual product listing or consult with the seller for accurate details before making a purchase.